In a world most of us don't know yet, it's the reality that for 748 million people around the world who don't get water, that's nearly 10% of the people of everyone living on this planet. You and I got lucky. We are the other 90%. We happen to be born in the places where we never had to worry about the water or deal with the fear that we might get water that affect our families. But that doesn't mean that the other person's stories can't impact us. Yes, friends, today's topic is to save water. Mama, why you have taken such an easy topic? Everyone knows what is water and we use it for drinking, bathing, washing, etc. Priyan, it is not like that. I will tell you what water is, its importance, its use, and why to save it. First, let me tell you something about water. Water is the precious gift of God on the earth. Life exists on the earth because of the availability of water and oxygen. Itself being tasteless, odorless, and colorless, it adds taste, color, and nice smell in the life of living beings on the earth. It takes the thing from you but gives life to us. It has no shape but takes the shape of the container we store it. We find it everywhere in rivers, seas, tanks, wells, ponds, oceans, etc. But we lack clean drinking water. Three-fourth part of the earth is full of water. However, we need to conserve water as there is very less percentage of clean water. All the living beings, like human beings, animals, plants, etc., need water to grow, develop, and live. We need water in all the walks of our life, from morning till night, like drinking, cooking, bathing, washing clothes, watering plant, etc. People working in different areas need water for different purposes, such as farmers need water for farmer needs water to grow crops, gardener needs water to water plants, industrialist needs water for industry work, electricity plants needs water for generating hydroelectricity. So we should save water for our future generations too. So Priyan, hope you understood the importance of water. Now let's understand why should we save water. Okay, Mama, okay, Mama, please explain me why we should save water. People at many places in India and other countries are facing huge water scarcity. They have to depend on the government water supply by tanks or some water reservoirs at long distances. They better understand the value of water than the person who have sufficient water available in their areas. The situation of lack of water becomes very terrible for the people who don't have enough water to fulfill their basic needs of drinking, bathing, washing, cooking, etc. Places in India from Rajasthan and some parts of the Gujarat, they are facing huge water scarcity where women and girls they are going and covering a long distance on a bare foot to get just a single pot of water. In some cities like Chennai, people have to buy bottles or cans to drink clean water. People face more problems during summer season because there is an increase in the daily need of water. In some cases, the privatization of water bodies is the main reason of water scarcity. So now we understood why we need to save water. Simple ways are there to save water. So let's understand how we can save water. We should use bucket instead of water. We should use bucket instead of using shower. We should use low flush toilets. Keep the tap closed while doing hand wash, toothbrush, face wash, washing this, etc. We can also collect rainwater during rainy season, and then we can use them we can use that water in toilet flush, watering plants, sprinkling in garden, etc. We should be using, we should get the habituality of of reusing and recycling wastewater. We should use low flow tap uh, in wash machines. Water saving techniques should also be given priority in the commercial areas, agriculture fields, as it is a big area where gallons of waters can be used on daily basis. I think we can also do metering type of something where on water supply to each home, just like electricity. So that can also help us reducing water consumption by some percentages, like around 20 to 30 percentages on daily basis. Lack of water is also a big issue in many countries. So it is a symbiotic factor, an important element to which life depends on. The level of drinking water under the ground is becoming less because of the disturbance in the natural filtering system. Deforestation and lack of plant causes rainwater to run away instead of going inside the ground. We should follow all the key activities regarding safe water from loss, unnecessary use and wastage, as well as damage of water quality. We should change our bad habits into positive ones and spread awareness among people about the importance of clean water. So we should save water and save it for future generations. Okay, Mama, I understood the importance of waste of water in our real life. Thank you.
Production quote.